All right, I'm here with Phil of Big Phil's Rubbish, and we're going to talk all things shed removal. They do a ton of shed removals, from big sheds to little sheds to everything in between. Phil, talk to us about the process and some of the things that someone should know about what you guys do.
The process for shed removal, essentially for us, from the time that we show up to the time that we leave is 2 hours or less. We are super quick and efficient. I don't know any client that would ever do it nearly as fast as us, never mind another business. So it's something that when someone is looking at hiring a company to do shed removal, there's really not too many people that are as quick and efficient as us. And furthermore, we're properly insured. One thing that a client maybe should keep in mind is that, are they going to save any money if they do it themselves? Almost always no. And the reason is because for us, the way we take sheds apart is we take it apart in large chunks. We don't take a sledgehammer to it. We don't say timber and swing here and push there and everything like that. We actually start methodically from the top and take chunks off and work our way down. Whereas we've had many quotes for sheds and the client decided to try and save some money and take it apart. But what they do, because they're inexperienced, is that they'll actually scrape all the shingles off of the roof and then they'll take all the siding off of the walls. And you're now dealing with a larger pile, and you're also dealing with way more trips back and forth to the truck. And almost never do they take it apart and bring it to the front yard for you. They still leave it where the shed pretty much was. So you're not saving any loading time. If anything, it's now, again, it's taking longer because we take off the roof, literally the roof and all the shingles would come off in about 6 chunks. And then the roof is gone and on the truck. Whereas shingles, if you take all the shingles off, you're taking wheelbarrow after wheelbarrow, and then you still have the plywood roof and the framing to take away too.